All right, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Really quickly, I wanted to show you guys the backup sound that Tesla makes. I personally don't really like this sound, but let me know. This is the sound that all Tesla cars have. Since there's quiet, silent cars, it's called a pedestrian warning sign. So let's listen to it. I'm gonna pull up and then back up. But if you're getting a Tesla, just be aware that this is what your car is gonna sound like when it's backing up. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
And the faster you go, it like gets higher and higher. I mean, actually, I don't think it sounds as bad. It used to sound really annoying. I think they did
Yeah, it's not
improve.
that bad.
I think the older models, it was super loud and like obnoxious. Now I think they got feedback because now it's not as bad. I'm gonna go up a little farther and then kind of go back faster just to give you guys the full sound of it. All right, guys, that's it. I just want to share with you guys the backup sound. Let me know if you like it or if you hate it. Thanks for watching.